Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press the subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath, there is a thumbs up. So if you're enjoying the content, please take a second right underneath the video to hit the thumbs up. It's important on the YouTube platform. Supposedly, YouTube looks at those thumbs up, and then if there's a certain amount that are there, they will then take the video or the creators' videos and put it in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they do enjoy this type of content. So I'm thanking you in advance again for hitting that thumbs up. All right, today I'm really excited. I got the Walmart beauty box and I saw maybe one or two people open this, and I was really intrigued with what was inside, and I was hoping that a couple of the items were going to be in all of our boxes, and I think they are. I think there's only a couple that are a little bit different, but I'm going to go through everything with you. So this is the Walmart box that we used to pay $5. It's a quarterly seasonal box, and now I think it's just under $7. And I love this box. I think it's a fun way every season to get some products that are drugstore related that you'll be able to pick up at Walmart. And it has introduced me to a lot of lines that I've had the opportunity then to go into Walmart and pick up. So this is a box that I always recommend. They have it also in two categories, classic or trendy. I think it's based on age. Mine is considered the classic, but I did read a few comments on the few people that have opened up theirs. And some of those people wrote that they got both boxes and they were the same. So I don't know if anything's changed since the upgrade, but what I know has changed and I'm really enjoying is it now comes with a brochure and it shows you all of the other products that you could have gotten in your box. So there's a lot of little variations, but I think everything that's on the left side that I got in my box is what I saw in the few boxes, like I said, that I've had the opportunity to see. So we're going to go through all that. They also give you the full size retail, which I think is great. I did open up something ahead of time because I don't like dealing with plastics or trying to get anything open while I'm on camera, because as you know, here we don't edit. So I want to come down, sit down, and be ready just to talk to you like as if it's live. And that's what I do. So when I did that, you'll see there was a little surprise because nobody opened it on the channels that I watched who got this box. Like I said, I only watched a few, and I was really surprised when I opened it that it wasn't what I thought it was. So we'll get there when we get there. All right, so the Walmart box. So the one that I think the first four items that I'm going to go through are the ones that I think everyone's going to get in their boxes from what I've seen. And then on the other side, there's a choice of 2, 4, 6, 8, I think 9 variations that they choose to put in the box. So in there, I got 2 extra products. So in total, we got 6 items. So which I think is really nice for $7. And it gets shipped free to your home. So here we go. So let's go through this. All right. Okay. The first thing that we received is from this brand called Cetaphil. And this is a really good brand. This is really universal. This is good for men and women. If you want to look for a good drugstore brand as a cleanser and things like that, this is a really good line. And this one is called Cetaphil. It is a sheer mineral sunscreen. The full size of this is $14.49, and it's a 3 ounce. And they're saying it's suitable for even the most sensitive skin. This is a lightweight formula that protects, hydrates without clogging your pores. Like I said, this is a brand that I think is a really, really good brand. And it's drugstore, and this one has a safety seal. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand so that you guys will be able to see, but it should be like a white, yeah. And what's great about this one is SPF 50. So even if you're just going for a walk, you know, when you don't have any protection on or anything, I always put this on. And especially now that I live in Florida, I'm a little bit more sensitive to what it's going to be. So a little bit goes a long way. So even if I'm just going for a walk and I'm wearing sunglasses and things that are covering majority of my face, I'll put this on my nose. I'll put it on the high points, because that's where I feel I started to get most of my hyperpigmentation is from the areas that were the high points. So that's the SPF 50. The next one is from the same brand, and it's Cetaphil, and this is the Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. The full size of this is $7.94, and the full size of this is a 6 ounce. And they're saying this is a facial cleanser that you can use every day for improving your texture and your radiant, glowing complexion. And I love using daily scrubs. Right now, I'm enjoying so much the Yensa and a few other ones that we've gotten in our boxes. But getting cleansers in boxes for me is always great because that's what I seem to go through the most. And this one has a little, very, very minor exfoliation in it, like really, really minuscule. It's you would really have to, this is great. I'm happy about that. So like I said, this is a brand that I always recommend if you're looking for a drugstore brand. It's one that I've used in the past, and it's one that I continue to purchase. The next one is from Listerine, and this is a new product. This one is the Chew to Transform from a solid to a liquid in seconds. And when I read about this, they're saying the full size of this is 24 tablets, and what we got here is 8 of them. And this says it's a chewable fresh breath tablet that transforms from solid to liquid within seconds. It helps fight bad breath for up to 4 hours, anytime, anywhere. But when I read the instructions in here, it says you chew, you swish, and then you swallow, which I've never done with any Listerine product, except for I remembered that I also got years ago in the drugstore. It were these little they looked almost like they were in like a floss container that you took them out. They were very thin, little pieces of, felt almost like a cellophane that you put on your tongue from this brand Listerine, and it would dissolve and it would give you that fresh breath. So that's something that I enjoyed. And this is something, another unique new product that we're having the opportunity to enjoy because it's in the Walmart beauty box. So excited to have the opportunity to try that new product. Now this is where I got really surprised. All right, this is what this looks like here. And I thought these were little bottles that we would be able to take with us traveling. So I wanted to smell it, and I wanted to show you guys what it smelled like. So you'll see what happens in just a sec. This is, it is called the Suave Pink 3-Step Hair Regime. It is a shampoo conditioner as well as a smoothing cream. The full sizes in these are really large. They're like 16.5 ounces and they're under $5 each. And the smoothing cream is a 4 ounce, and that's also like $4.98. So this is supposed to be less frizz, more shine, formulated with amino acids complex. This system primes your hair from the inside out for manageable style and ready trushes. So what I did was I took it like this, and in the back, I undid the area here, and what I saw were these little, like I said, I assumed they were bottles. They look like bottles to me. They feel, when you touch the top of it here, that it feels like it would be a bottle, but they're not. It's a foil pack. So when I went to just cut out the perimeter so I'd be able to pull out the actual bottle, a cream came out. And that's what I wanted to show you guys. So I want to make sure that if you get this, don't assume like I did that it's a bottle. Let my error be your win. Because this now I'm going to put into a poly bag, because I just wanted to see what the consistency was, and I wanted to see what it smelled like. So the aroma on this is very flowery. It's very, to me, it is really just like fresh cut flowers. That's what it smells like to me, and that's what it looks like there. So like I said, I'm going to have to now put it into a poly bag, but whenever I'm going to use this, you're going to have like, you know, this is something I usually put in my travel bag, because then I could leave it out in the bathtub open, and then, you know, when you're traveling, you're showering, you know, when you get home, before you leave, things like that. So these are the things that I take with me. This now is, like I said, is going to be something that I'm going to have to leave open, because I think you can get a lot more than one use out of this. But the fact that it's a foil pack is I should remember, because a lot of times with Walmart you get foil packs, but the way the packaging was and the way it feels like, you would think it was a bottle. It just blows my mind. Anyways, that's what I wanted to share with you guys, to make sure that you guys didn't do the mistake that I did. The next item in here that ended up being one that they chose for me out of the 9 that we had, and then I'll go through the other options that you could possibly get. The first one is from a Dollar Shave Club. This is called Shave Butter. The full size of this is $6. $6.97, and it's a 6 ounce for the full size. This one is 1 fluid ounce, And this one here, let's see if it has a safety. It does. Let's see what this consistency is on this guy here. So this is a shaving cream, but it looks like it's for sensitive skin. So I don't think it's going to be, yeah, it's the type that will give you that really close shave because it's not an overly foamy product. It's coming across very much like they said, like a butter. So this is what you can use, and it's good for sensitive skin. And it has a minty type of scent to it. Then the last item that I got was from NYX, and I love when there's a lip product in here. And this is called the NYX Filler Instant Plumping Lip Color. The full size of this is $8, and they're saying the colors will vary. And this was hard to open. This had a complete seal wrap. I turned and turned and turned, and it's not a turn, it's simply a pull up. Another thing that no one showed, so I never saw anyone else get this, so it took a while for me to figure out how to open this package. And then from here, this is what the color looks like there, which is really, really beautiful. Really happy to get that. And like I said, I'm always so happy to get lip colors. And this one here, the color it says is called Besos, B-E-S-O-S. I will leave it in the comments down below, in the description box down below. The other things that we could have got an Almay lipstick in Vibes lipstick, which was a $7.99, and you would have got a full size, I assume, and it says colors will vary. There's also a Find Your Happy Place moisturizer hand cream. Last Christmas, I introduced you guys and myself to this brand called Find Your Happy Place. It's a brand that is exclusive to Walmart, and I got body butters and scrubs, and the packaging was really, really beautiful, and I enjoyed it. I got it at Christmas time, and the full size of a 1 ounce hand cream is $3.47, and they're saying in the box, if you get it, the scents will vary. They also have in here the Wet n Wild Big Papa mascara, and the full size of that is $4.99. I enjoy Wet n Wild, but the mascara is the only thing that I haven't had the opportunity to try. The next item we could have received is from Clean Beauty. It is an avocado hemp butter sleep mask, and the full size of that is $9.97, and that would be a 2 ounce. The next item was from John Frieda, which is a Frizz Ease Dream Curls conditioner, and that is, they're saying the full size of that is $6.97, and that is for an 8.4 ounce. And then the last 2 items were good items too. Was a NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Radiant Primer, where the full size of that is $14 for a 1 ounce, and a Revlon Color Stay eyeliner, which is the full size, which is $7.99. So I think those were all great variations that we'll be able to get, and those are all on this side here. And like I said, everything on the first page, these 4 items, the few boxes that I saw, they got these as well. So please share with me if you get the Walmart box, and if you also got these same 4 items that we started the video off with, because I think everyone's getting that, and I think then the variations will be based on this page. And like I said, this item alone is $8, and the whole box is $7. So that's why I love getting the Walmart boxes, because there's always something usually that is something that I end up finding out about from the cosmetics section, and I'm always excited to have an opportunity to have a lipstick that I can try and use and enjoy, and I think this will be one. And NYX is also a phenomenal brand. So that's everything that I got in my Walmart box. Like I said, please leave in the comments down below. Make sure you realize that this is a foil pack, and how to open this is simply a pull up. All right, little things, but it makes a big difference because I struggled with them both prior to filming. So wanted to make sure that you guys know about it. All right, once again, this is the Walmart Beauty Box. It's seasonal. As always, I enjoy that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But more importantly, during this time, I want to make sure that everybody continues to stay safe so we can all stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.